Giridhar Jain, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Now today I am going to deliver a lecture on analysis of BJT amplifiers using hybrid parameters, part 2. Now learning outcomes of this session are: at the end of the session, students will be able to analyze BJT amplifiers using hybrid parameters. Contents: analysis of BJT amplifiers using hybrid parameters. Now in the analysis of BJT amplifiers using H parameter part 1, we have completed derivation up to voltage gain. So next is the output resistance. Now output admittance is defined as a YO equal to I2 by V2 with Vs equal to 0. So we have I2 is equal to HF I1 plus HO V2. Therefore, YO equal to divide both sides by V2. So it is I2 by V2, that is equal to HO plus HF I1 by V2. Now we have to obtain I1 by V2 with Vs is equal to 0. Now by making Vs is equal to 0, the circuit on the input side becomes Vs is equal to 0 means input shorted, that Vs is shorted and it is replaced by the internal resistance or source resistance Rs. So Rs in series with Hi, and this is HR V2 plus minus as shown in figure. So this is the circuit on input side with Vs is equal to 0. Now apply KVL for this circuit. We can write Rs I1 plus Hi I1 plus HR V2 equal to 0. Now collect the terms of I1 on one side and the remaining term on other side. So I1 in the bracket Rs plus Hi equal to minus HR V2, and therefore we can write down I1 by V2 is minus HR upon Rs plus Hi, and this value of I1 by V2 is substituted in this equation to obtain the value of output admittance. So YO is equal to HO plus HF, and this is the value of I1 by V2 minus HR upon Rs plus Hi, and therefore output admittance YO equal to HO minus HF HR upon Rs plus Hi, and therefore output resistance R0 is the reciprocal of output admittance, and therefore R0 is 1 by Y0, where Y0 is given here. Now pause this video and think on the following question: what is power and power gain? So power is a product of voltage and current, so P is equal to V into I, and power gain AP is load power divided by input power, means output power divided by input power is the power gain, and therefore power gain AP equal to load power is voltage at output multiplied by current at output, that is V2 into IO, divided by input power is V1 I1. Now rearranging the terms, AP equal to this V2 by V1 multiplied by this I0 is minus I2 by I1, and therefore the power gain AP is equal to V2 by V1 is the voltage gain and minus I2 by I1 is current gain, and therefore power gain is a product of voltage gain and the current gain. Now overall voltage gain. Overall voltage gain AVS can be defined as AVS equal to V2 divided by Vs, means output voltage divided by the signal voltage Vs. That can be written as V2 by V1 into V1 by Vs, so that there will be no change in the expression. Now V2 by V1 is the voltage gain AV, and now we have to obtain V1 by Vs. Now for the input side, we can draw the circuit as a Vs in series with Rs, and now between this point and this there is a V1, that is the input port. Now if you look toward the right, then equivalent circuit seen between the input terminal is input resistance Ri, which was V1 by I1 defined earlier, and therefore the input port is replaced by the input resistance Ri. And now for this circuit, the voltage across Ri is the V1 and this is the Vs. So Rs and Ri are in series, so they will form a voltage divider, and therefore we can write down V1 is equal to Ri upon Ri plus Rs into Vs, and therefore from this V1 by Vs can be written as Ri upon Ri plus Rs, and substitute this value of V1 by Vs in this equation. So we get AVS is equal to V2 by V1 is AV into V1 by Vs is Ri upon Ri plus Rs. Now overall current gain is AIS is equal to IO divided by IS, that can be written as IO by I1 into I1 by IS. So now equivalent circuit for the input side using the current source becomes IS is a current source in parallel with Rs and in parallel with Ri. Now current through Ri is I1 and the input, that is source current, is Is. Now there is a current division by Rs and Ri as shown, and therefore we can write down I1 by Is is equal to Rs upon Ri plus Rs, and therefore overall current gain AIS is equal to AI, and substitute this value of I1 by Is in this equation, so that overall current gain AIS is equal to AI into Rs upon Ri plus Rs, where Rs is source resistance and Ri is the input resistance seen at the input terminals. Now this is the summary of the formulas which we have derived up till now. So current gain AI is minus HF upon 1 plus HORL, Ri is equal to HI plus HR AI RL, then voltage gain AV is equal to AI RL by Ri, YO is HO minus HF HR upon Rs plus HI, and RO is 1 by YO. AVS, overall voltage gain AV Ri upon Ri plus Rs, and overall current gain AIS is AI Rs upon Ri plus Rs. Now these formulas should be remembered to solve the numericals on the H parameters. Now let us solve a numerical. A common emitter amplifier uses RL equal to 500 ohm, and the H parameters are HI equal to 1 kilo ohm, HRE equal to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4, HAP equal to 50, HOE equal to 25 microampere per volt, and RS equal to 1 kilo ohm. Calculate current gain, input resistance, output resistance, voltage gain, overall voltage gain, and overall current gain. Now solution of this numerical. Now first is the current gain. So AI is equal to minus HF E. So it is a common emitter configuration, therefore suffix E is added for all the H parameter. So minus HF E upon 1 plus HOE RL. Substitute the values, minus 50 upon 1 plus HOE 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 500, and if we solve it, we get minus 49.38, that is a current gain. So current gain is negative. Now input resistance, Ri equal to HI plus HRE AI RL. So HI convert it in, that is 1K, so convert it in ohms, plus HRE 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 AI RL, and solve this, we get input resistance equal to 93.82 ohms. Then third is the output admittance YO. YO is equal to HOE minus HFE HRE upon RS plus HI. Now substitute the values. We get this is equal to 1.875 into 10 raised to minus 5 moles, and take reciprocal of this YO to get the RO. So RO is 1 by Y0. So that is 53.33 kilo ohms. So that is output resistance. Now next is the voltage gain AV. AV is equal to AI RL by RI. So substituting the values, we get minus 24.84. Then next is the overall voltage gain AVS is AV RI upon RI plus RS. Substitute the values. Therefore AVS is equal to minus 12.38. And overall current gain AIS equal to AI RS upon RI plus RS. Substitute the values from the given data and the terms which have been calculated up till now. So AI RS 1000, right, RI RS. So this comes to be minus 24.76. So these are references. Thank you for watching the video.